If you're gonna do anything to your motorcycle, you own a motorcycle, you plan on doing any maintenance work of your own, make sure you get a shop manual. These things are invaluable. So I'm up late / early, if you want to call it, with my shop manual, trying to get these wheels laced. I've got 80 stainless spokes from Buchanan. It's time to get these wheels laced. I've never laced a wheel before in my life, so we're about to see this happen. It's part of one of the many tasks I have to do to get this bike ready for Daytona. So I'm wiping them down. Wiping down real good one last time before assembly. Definitely gotta make sure, if you're gonna do anything to your motorcycle, you own a motorcycle, you plan on doing any maintenance work of your own, make sure you get a shop manual. These things are invaluable. This is how you do it. So here it goes. All right, first set of 10 spokes. So one of the things I always heard too, or read video, or heard videos, saw videos, and heard from old chopper guys is make sure you liberally apply lube they supply with the spokes. Now I have to install the upper row of spokes, but opposite direction. So I've got first side of spokes done. Flip the wheel over to the next side of the hub. So I'm here at Trader Joe's and do my Valentine's Day shopping or whatever. Luckily enough, we got tons of flowers. So guys, if you're in a jam and you need like Valentine's Day stuff or whatever, find your local Trader Joe's, and you should be pretty good because this is already 6 o'clock on Valentine's Day and they still have stuff. So one of the crazy things about Valentine's Day is that it's always in the middle of the crunch for Daytona. So all the guys, all the folks who are building bikes, whatever, to get ready to go down to Daytona or whatever, they have to like stop and get stuff straight for do stuff for their wives and everything, their families or whatever, girlfriends or whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm in the middle of doing. So I was able to get a few other grocery items before checking out. So here we go. So this week I was able to do something nice for my wife for Valentine's Day. Get my wheels laced, order some hardware, some stainless hardware from Diamond Engineering for my brake rotors. Yeah, so thanks for tuning into this episode of Build Ride Repeat. If you like stuff like this, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. So yeah, road to Bike Week 2024. Hopefully I'll see you down there, and possibly at Traveling Tall's Riding Bagger Show. So yeah, see you in the next one.